Good morning, students. So today we will start exercise 3A, question number 13. Okay. Express the following as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. So 23 square we have to represent as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. So for this also property. What is property? Property n square is equal to n square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. Where n is that number. So apply here. So 23 square minus 1 upon 2 plus 23 square plus 1 upon 2. So 23 square 521 minus 1 by 2 plus 521 plus 1 by 2. So 528 by 2 plus 530 by 2. Divide it. So 264 plus 265. So 23 square is represented as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers 265 and 264 and 265. Okay. So 3A 13. (264 plus 265). Similarly, there are remaining parts also. So one more part also you see, part D. 25 square. So this also like that. So 25 square minus 1 upon 2 plus 25 square plus 1 upon 2. Then simplify it. So 625 minus 1 by 2 plus 625 plus 1 by 2. Subtract and then divide by 2. So 624 by 2 plus 626 by 2. So 312 plus 338. Okay. So like this remaining part you try from yourself. Okay. Then question number 14. Using property of square numbers, find. So first one, 24 square minus 23 square. Okay. So for that formula, n plus 1 whole square minus n square is equal to n plus 1 plus n. So here n is 23 and n plus 1 24. Apply that property. So n plus 1 means 24 plus 23 is equal to 47. Then part B, 59 square minus 58 square. So 59 plus 58, 117. Part D, 102 square minus 101 square. Then again apply that same. So 102 plus 101 equal to 203. Okay. Then question number 15. Without adding, find the sum of the following sets of odd numbers. So first one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And these are consecutive odd numbers. So 5 numbers, so they will represent as 5 square. So that will be 25. This is also property. Okay. So this property, for any natural number n, property 6, for any natural number n, the square of n, that is n square, is equal to the sum of the first n odd natural number. So these are first 5 odd natural numbers. Okay, so will be equal to 5 square. Okay, part C, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 22. So these are how many odd natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So this will be equal to 12 square. Means sum of first 12 odd natural numbers. So their sum will be equal to 12 square without adding this. This is property, okay, of square number. So without adding you have to find their sum. But rule is number should be first n odd natural numbers. Okay. So 12 square 144. Remaining part B you try from your side. Okay. Then 16. Express 169 as the sum of 13 odd numbers. So if 169 is the square of 13, so 13 square represents as the sum of first 13 odd natural numbers. Okay. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Part B also like that. 64. So 64 is the square of 8. So represent as sum of first odd natural number. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Okay. 17 plus 19. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Only up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 64 is equal to 8 square. So 8 square that will represent as the sum of first 8 odd natural numbers. Okay. Then question number 17. Which are the following sets of 3 numbers form of Pythagorean triplet? So Pythagorean triplet, we know that the sum of the squares of the first 2 numbers is equal to the square of the third number. Okay. So here 3 numbers are given. Okay. So if satisfy this condition of Pythagorean, okay, triplet means sum of squares of sum of the squares of the first 2 numbers is equal to the square of the third number. Okay. So in that take first part A. 6, 8, 10. Okay. So first you find the square of all numbers. 6 square, 8 square and 10 square. So 6 square 36, 8 square 64 and 10 square 100. So according to Pythagorean triplet, if sum of squares of first 2 numbers means 36 plus 64 if equal to is equal to is equal to square of third number. So 100 and 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. 36 means 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Means these three numbers 6, 8, 10 are they are a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So part C. Okay. 7, 9, 12. So first you find numbers. 10 square 49, 9 square 81, 12 square 144. Then check it. So 49 plus 81 is equal to 144. Add it. So 130 is not equal to 144. Okay. Therefore, 7 square plus 9 square is not equal to 12 square. Therefore, 7, 9, 12 does not have a Pythagorean triplet. Not have a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Similarly, remaining part also you can do from yourself. Then question number 18. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing digits. So 11 square 121. 101 square is equal to 10201. 1001 square is equal to 100201. 10,001 square like this. Okay. So you see the pattern first. 11 square 1, 101 square 1, 0201 means if 10, then before and after 2 also 10. If 20, then before and after 2 also 20. Here 30. So here 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 before and after also 4. Okay. This is pattern. Okay. And here 6 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that also 6. 5, 6. Okay. So this we have to do. Okay. This will be answer. Then 19. Last question of this exercise. Okay. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Okay. So first one is given 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Second one 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Third one 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Then here 4 square plus 5 square plus here missing is equal to 21 square. Here 5 square plus missing square plus 30 square is equal to 31 whole square. Last one 6 square plus 7 square plus missing square is equal to missing square. So it is also very simple. You see here
1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 5, then 20. Okay. And here 5 and here 30. So 30 divided by 5, what will be? 6. Means in 5 by which we multiply get 30. So 6. Here 6, 7. Then this will be 42. Okay. And here in right hand side what are coming? Here 2 square, 3 square, 6 square, 7 square, 12 square, 13 square, 20 square, 21 square, 30 square, 31 square. So 42 square. So here what will be? 43 square. Okay.
So now exercise 3A completed. Okay. So in next video I will start concept and then exercise 3B. Okay. Thank you.